Protest breaks out in Nasarawa and businesses shut down after Supreme Court ruling affirmed Sule as governor. Welcome to the news and thank you for tuning in to listen. Please subscribe to our channel to get notified when we post hot juicy news updates. Please click on the notification bell. One of the roads blocked by protesters is the Lafia to Jos Road where they burned tires and chanted anti-government slogans. Some residents have stormed the streets of Lafia, the Nasarawa state capital, to protest against the outcome of a Supreme Court judgment that affirmed the election of Governor Abdullahi Sule. One of the roads blocked by protesters is the Lafia to Jos Road where they burned tires and chanted anti-government slogans. It was learned that shops, business centers, and schools within the area were hurriedly closed to protect lives and property. Sahara reported that the Supreme Court of Nigeria on Friday upheld the election of Abdullahi Sule as the governor of Nasarawa State. Justice Kudirat Kekereekun, in the lead judgment, resolved all the issues identified for determination against the People Democratic Party, PDP, and its candidate, David Obungadu. The court therefore dismissed the appeal. On Tuesday, Sahara reporters reported that the Supreme Court had reserved its judgment and the Nasarawa State governorship appeal filed by the PDP and its candidate, Obungadu. Justice Kudirat Kekereekun, who led a 5-member panel of the Apex Court on Tuesday, announced after lawyers to parties made their final submissions that judgment was reserved and parties would be notified when it was ready for delivery. The applicant, PDP, and its candidates sought to set aside the November 23, 2023 judgment of the appeal of the Court of Appeal, which reversed the earlier judgment of the Election Tribunal sacking Governor Sule of the All Progressive Congress APC and the March 18, 2023 governorship election in the state. One Tonye Bakanista in a post on X said, titled, "Protest breaks out in Nasarawa State over miscarriage of justice by the Supreme Court." Lamented. It was unfortunate that the judicial reforms initiated by President Umaru Musa Yar'Adua administration and carried on by Dr. Goodluck Jonathan's government has been left to deteriorate by the successors, Muhammad Buhari and the incumbent, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. A big judicial haste happened 4 years ago in Imo State. 2 bigger electoral fraud happened in 2023 in Nasarawa and Ogun State. Both have never worn the garment of legality by the Supreme Court. May God protect the common man. The Governorship Election Petitions Tribunal on October 2nd, 2023 sacked Governor Sule of the All Progressive Congress and declared Obungadu of the PDP as winner of the election. However, the APC and its candidates were not satisfied with the tribunal judgment. Hence, they filed an appeal at the Court of Appeal to set aside the judgment. The appellate court overturned the tribunal judgment and affirmed the election of the APC candidate, but the PDP candidate approached the Supreme Court for the final verdict on the matter. Meanwhile, Sahara reporters earlier reported that the Nasarawa State Police Command signed a peace agreement with the leaders of the All Progressive Congress and the People Democratic Party in the state ahead of a Supreme Court judgment. Last Thursday, Sahara reporters exclusively reported that there was disquiet in the opposition camp in Nasarawa State over the composition of the Supreme Court panel which would hear the governorship election case. Sahara reporters learned on Thursday that the Supreme Court 5-member panel will comprise Justice Kudirat M.O. Kekereekun, Lagos State, Justice Uwani Abba Aji, Yobe State, Justice Muhammad Lawal Garba, Zamfara State, Justice Ibrahim M.M. Saluwa, Katsina State, and Justice Tijani Abubakar, Yobe State. Sahara reporters gathered that members of the opposition camp agitated that 2 of the members of the panel were from Yobe State, where the governor was believed to have originally hailed from. The APC National Chairman Abdullahi Gandaji also played a role in securing the member of the panel from Katsina State. The Nasarawa State Governor Sule is originally from Yobe, and 2 judges on the panel are from the same Yobe. We frown on this composition. a member of the opposition camp who spoke on the condition of anonymity, stated, well, now what? So, they don't run Nasarawa State people streets. And Nasarawa State people, they come outside. This is them coming out to show the state and displeasure over this issue. I don't know where it became a thing that Nigerians will come out, leave whatever they are doing on election days, go before election days rather, register to get their voters card, go through the stress of registering, go through the stress of collecting, and then go through the stress of voting. A lot of things. They deny themselves a lot of things and do these things only for one Supreme Court, or one Court of Appeal, or whatever you call them, to come outside and throw it in the face of Nigerians that there is nothing that they can do. So, that is it. It is coming out to tell these people that if we come out and none of you do anything. You understand me? I have taken my mind out of Nigeria politics. Nigeria can be defined as a country where security personnel, the judiciary and INEC help the politicians to manipulate elections against Nigerians. You can say that again. You can say that again. Supreme Court does not want to unseat any governor. Doesn't mean there was a free and fair election. That is the thing. I'm sure people are not going to come outside and react like this if the election went well, if it was a free and fair election. Do you understand? If people don't come out and come vote for the PDP man, I'm not sure they will come out and react. Everybody will just do eyes, right, Abby? They will say, we know people come outside. But for them to come out and behave like this, it means the people came outside and they voted. It means the people came outside and they're not trying to twist and have torn everything. And do you know what they're trying to do? I've told us. What they're trying to do is to frustrate Nigerians so that when it comes to election next time, Nigerians will not come out. Nigerians will be like, I beg. Do you want to go? They'll come make me vex. My body will come the hot. Make a no-go. And then, you know that if less people comes out during the election, it means the government, they can write whatever they like. They can write whatever result they like. That is what they want. So Nigerians, that is what I'm saying, no matter how, I've said it before the election, before 2023 election, that no matter the outcome of the election, we should make sure we keep pushing. We too, we will show the government, say, we coconut head. The people of Nasarawa State, but this one no sweet them. Their belly no sweet at all. To them, it will be like that time after the presidential election. A lot of people could not eat. A lot of people could not sleep. Immediately they announced that, Judgement was the president of Nigeria. It can't be like said that they relieved that particular period. Alright, on this note, you have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time. Enjoy the rest of your day.